How to embed YouTube video on Canva website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube video on your Canva's website. It's super simple, so let's get started. Head over to your browser and once you're here, you need to type canva.com. Now you need to go ahead and find the website that you have created on Canva. Now, this is the website that I have created before. Right? Now, let's say you want to embed YouTube video on this website. You can simply go ahead and add text over here. And from here, you can go ahead and add headings. Now, from here, you can simply go ahead and type YouTube. Once you have done, you can see the three dots that says more over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can see an option that says link. Go ahead and click on link. Now, we will add the link of our YouTube video over here. Now, we need to simply go ahead and find the YouTube video. In order to do that, in the new tab, you need to type youtube.com. From here, you can go ahead and find the link of your video. Let's say this is the video that I want to add to my Canva website. You can simply go ahead and click on share, and here you can see the link of the video. You need to simply go ahead and copy the link. Now let's head over to our Canva website again, and you need to simply go ahead and paste the link that you have copied before, and once you have done that, you need to click on done. Now, once you do that, you can see that the link has been added to your website. If you want to check whether the link has been added for real or not, you can simply go ahead and click on the link and it will open up the YouTube video that you have added before. And that's it. You now know how to embed YouTube video on your Canva website. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.